All right. Today, one of my clients got a video, kind of a sales video from Hibu pitching their services. And, I designed this website and she was just very complimentary about it. And I do all the other marketing things that she was talking about in this video too. But, it always helps to get somebody. Hibu does websites, and I've even lost customers to Hibu. I know it. I don't understand that part. I guess they like their sales rep or something because anyway, Hibu does not make a good website, nor is it. I mean, it's very expensive in the long term. Well, anytime your phone doesn't ring and you're paying somebody something for it, it's expensive. But anyway, I digress. I wanted to play this, and I hope I'm going to have to pick my microphone up and stick it down to my computer so you can hear this, because this lady, I just had to post it. Here we go. So here I'm going to pick that up. See if it picks up here.
Things here online because you can see that I'm on your website, right? First of all, your website looks great. So I absolutely love your website. I love the colors. It's super engaging. The pictures are good. It's an amazing place for you to convert your clients. So I just wanted to congratulate you on that.
And then she goes on to try and sell some other services. So anyway, if you're looking for a good website that converts, and I think that is the key word to it, a website that's pleasing to the eyes, gives you credibility, and makes people want to pick the phone up and give you a call. I hope you'll give me a call, especially all you folks that have worked with Hibu in the past and for whatever reason are no longer satisfied. All right. Thank you, and later.